Hello and welcome to VideoNet's series of IBC 2016 video interviews. I'm Barry Flynn, I'm consulting editor at VideoNet, and with me today we have Tom Munro, CEO of video revenue security firm Verimatrix. Welcome back to IBC, Tom.
Thrilled to be here, Barry.
We talked last year when you were sitting in exactly that same seat, didn't we? And I'm aware that since then it's no longer entirely accurate to describe you as I just have, because now you've taken a step into the data analytics world as well. So no longer video revenue security firm only. Your other things as well.
Barry, that's exactly right. We've extended the reach of our product set to include a broad range of analytics collection and presentation, and really the two themes go together in a very important way. The revenue security platform that we've built, the infrastructure that keeps video secure on its way to the set-top box or to the mobile app, can be used to collect securely that same information, maintain privacy and the anonymity, and stay within the confines of regulations and the rules of the operator in a way that allows them to gather that information and make great use of it to improve their service.
And as part of that new analytics product that you launched this year, at IBC, you're talking about a new evaluation program. Can you explain what the purpose of that is?
The new evaluation program that we have for Verspective is a way for operators to try a simplest possible integration, a quick start of the low-hanging fruit, if you like, of the data utilization from their network platform. So rather than do a full lengthy integration that might take some time and require a bigger commitment, this is a way to see if it fits.
Right, okay, and that takes how long to get up and running?
Just a few weeks. It's really quite an easy
amazing,
system.
yeah,
Yes,
okay. Yeah. So usable data in a couple of weeks is
that's right, yeah.
Pretty good. You've also, and this is another kind of step into another sector, as it were. You've also been talking about how your experience in the video revenue security business is relevant in an Internet of Things environment. So could you explain what it is about the IoT that is of relevance to your company?
Well, our interest in IoT started with the same set of customers that we have today, the MVPDs who are providing programming around the world. Are increasingly interested in home automation and home security. And if you start with that as a theme and you think about it's important for you to have the video delivered to your house securely, but what about the video from your house? You wouldn't like the neighbors to see your nanny cam, and you wouldn't like your ex-wife to know that you're away from home. So the ability to secure that and authenticate that in a way that keeps it private is really a hand-in-glove fit with this solution we provide today. And it extends beyond that, of course, into interesting other applications. That you want your car to be secure. You want the devices and sensors that surround you to be secure as well. And the same sort of technologies that we use in our day-to-day work apply perfectly. I
mean, one of the things that I guess is possible here from the point of view of your clients is that, like, they have revenue streams already on a subscription basis for premium TV, for example. You can allow them to offer a new tier of business by doing this.
That's a theme that crosses both the IoT and the analytics. These are both ways to extend the revenue model of the current MVPD and to the video operator become something bigger and more important in the consumer's life.
Yeah, right. Okay. So back to your traditional business. A recent announcement that I saw was that your VCAS for DVB Cardless solution had been selected by the Indian cable operator Sunny Digital Home Entertainment. Why a cardless solution? And was it simply a matter of price, or is there something about that Indian environment that's particularly suitable?
Well, cardless solutions have been a hallmark of Verimatrix products from the beginning, more than a decade now. And we simply viewed the changes in technologies, the transition towards two-way networks, the increasing sophistication of the SoCs that are embedded in terminal devices as ways to eliminate both the vulnerability and the expense of the card. But it's not primarily about price. It's primarily about renewability, the ability to push new solutions as different threats evolve, in the same way that antivirus software needs to be updated frequently. And that requirement to be able to refresh the client side firmware or code drives the requirement towards cardless.
Okay. And the other thing I noticed in connection with VCAS was that the next gen version of VCAS Ultra has now been independently certified as compliant with the Movie Lab's security requirements for UHD. Why did you seek that certification, and how does it benefit you going forwards?
Well, certifying by third-party independent labs is important, and it's something that's been a practice of ours and others in the industry for a long time. Everybody thinks their own baby is beautiful. Maybe it's not always true. You can be blind to the faults in your own work. So it's valuable to all of us to have a hard-edged analysis, a critical view from a third party to identify potential weaknesses or shortcomings, and certainly gives you a chance to address those. And the third-party validation is important both to content providers and the operators themselves.
Sure. Okay. Well, look, Tom, I'm afraid that's all we've got time for, but thanks very much for paying us a visit again this year. And also to you, the audience, thanks for watching this edition of the VideoNet IBC 2016 interview series. And from Tom and myself, goodbye.